Hello, everyone. Tim Gaybar, Superintendent of Schools here in Mount Pleasant Area School District. Joining me today is Mr. Randy Syvac. Been with us here in the district for what, approximately 8 years
About
or
8
so?
years, yeah.
And he serves in the role of the Director of Maintenance. And everything that takes place in all the buildings over the course of the summer and all the preparations are items that Randy has his hand on. He knows what's happening, and he's got his crew out there helping out. So can you give us an idea about what are some of those projects and what's happening as we prepare for the 23-24 school year? Because I know it's real busy around the
Sure,
district.
and it's been really busy.
Yeah.
And this year has been the same. We started out with the new scoreboard in the spring up the stadium that everybody will get to really see work this fall. We've done a new electrical service at Donegal Elementary,
Yes.
all new service, new equipment up there. We've worked on the existing service at Norvelt, also done some things
And the one at
to their
Donegal,
school.
folks will see that as they actually enter the school, because
Yes.
there was an area where it was located where
Yes.
we had no choice.
Yes.
They located it near the entrance, so when you go into Donegal Elementary, you'll see that electrical service
The
outside,
large blocks there,
and know that
yes.
we had no choice in where that went, because we
We
would
did not.
have preferred it to be somewhere a little
Yes.
different, but
We also have we're on the finishing stages of the brand new fire alarm system here at the junior senior high, and that is a really big deal, and we're really glad to get
Absolutely.
that to the end of its.
because that was delayed last year.
Yes.
We tried to get that the
Yes.
previous summer, and it was delayed
Yes.
due to some parts.
I believe all we have left to do with that is actually an inspection. So,
Gotcha.
we've done also at Norvelt new flooring in the nurse's office and in the guidance office. That goes along with these service upgrades that we've worked on there. The commemorative garden is also another thing that is in the finishing stages of. I think we always just have to put the cap on the top of
Correct,
that.
yeah,
And
the
that-
stone caps
and that-
under the
that-
statue as well as
yes.
the wall, yes.
That is a really beautiful thing that's
Sure is.
finished up there. Safety-wise, we've done a lot of things around the district this year. We've added safety bollards to restrict traffic in all the critical areas. That's in the process of being finished right now. My guys have also removed all the shrubbery and rocks from 3 of the entrances down the side of the school, which was a very helpful thing for a safety standpoint.
Yes. Yeah, and just on that end, yeah, the Pennsylvania State Police come in and did their
Yes.
safety audit, and they identify a variety of things that can be helpful, and one of them is if you have certain shrubs that cannot be trimmed up a certain
Right.
way, that just better to remove them. That way it eliminates hiding spaces and what
spaces,
have you.
yes.
So, and we've done that.
Yes, and it did make a big difference, too.
Sure did.
So, we've also put a security fence up at Donegal. That's another thing that
Yeah, that's
happened
true,
up
right.
there. And done some landscaping over at Ramsey across the front of the school with the guys this
Yep.
summer.
It looks
And
great.
There is a large number of miscellaneous things we've
Oh, yeah,
done throughout
sure.
the district also. So,
So listen, Randy, and with all those projects you're talking about, and I know there are even more than that,
Yes.
but without getting exhaustive on them, your crews are busy all summer long.
Yes.
And when the people come in for whether it's back to school night or at some point, they're going to notice all the great work that they've done. What is that process like? Like, what can people don't see that, but what is it like over the summer for your crews getting
they
ready?
don't, and actually summer is probably the busier time for my guys, actually. As soon as the school year ends, the rooms start getting stripped out and emptied so they can work in each room, and that involves a process of removing furniture, cleaning the room, putting everything in the halls, refinishing the floors, and then if there's any maintenance concerns while the room is empty, that's the time we try to get to them with the other guys, and then it's a matter of putting the rooms back together and finishing the halls in the large areas like the gyms, the cafeterias. That gets finished towards the end typically. And from the outside end, the grounds needs mowed, obviously.
Yes, that's right.
You know, that's a time-consuming thing with the acreage we have here,
Yes, it is.
here at the high school especially. But all the schools are mowed. We weed whacked and cleared, and any weeds we can take care of. So it's a big process, and it's a process that a lot of people don't realize until they come here on the campus and see what all's been done. So.
Sure. You know, on that end, your department, being as busy as it is, and it's not a large department by any stretch for the amount of space that we have and what have you. So they're one of the most critical components, because when people walk into a school, it's highly visible.
Yes.
If something's
Yes.
not clean or something's out of place, you notice it.
Yeah.
But on the flip side, if something is, then you notice
Yeah.
that as well. And we've been complimented quite often for the work that your folks do. So would you like to speak to their effort, their dedication? And I know you're still doing some
We are.
additions to your crew
Yes.
right now. But
Sure. I do really appreciate the effort that's put forth in all of our buildings by the whole group. We have been somewhat limited, as the other groups that you've talked to today probably, with our sub-availability and the workforce. It's a challenge everywhere, so
Sure.
it's not just here. Nonetheless, we have managed to maintain the expectations of what this school should look like, what the building should look like, and our grounds and our playing field. So that is due to the ongoing efforts of the staff we have in our district, and I do really appreciate them. I probably don't tell them that enough, but I do, and
Yeah.
I hope they know that.
well, I think it's evident. I see the relationships you have with them and the communications you have, and I think it is evident that is the case. So, and with that, well, I thank you for joining us, Mr. Syback. I mean, we, as I mentioned in a couple others, there are so many things we could really get into, but one thing we
Yes.
wanted to do was just at least be able to place a face with a name and give folks an overview about what's happening within the district
Yes.
and what summertime looks like. And what they can expect as they come into the 23-24 school year. So thank you for joining
Well,
us.
thank you.
And then thank you out there for joining us as well.